You're the one I've waited all my life for. You're the one I'd lose it all and die for. And as the sun transforms into the moon, I pray we never lose the fire of our youth. No, I'll never stop chasing your heart.
Siguro ngayon hindi mo pa ito ma-appreciate. Siguro after how many years, saka mo ito mapapanood. And sobrang pinagandaan ng nanay mo.
Anak, sana ma-appreciate mo to. Ma-feel mo na mahal ka namin ng daddy mo. Ano ba yun?
Sana wag mo lagi kaming kalimutan na mahal ka namin. Kahit saan ka magpunta, lagi kaming gagabay sa'yo, ganun. Kahit anong trip mo, ganyan, sasakyan namin. Kahit anong gusto mo, supportahin namin. Yun.
In the darkness, our love shines the brightest.
Si Olivia, yun, 1 year old na medyo makulit. Marunong magalit. Ganun, gulo ko sino nagturo dun eh.
Si Olivia sobrang kulit niya. Tapos, sobrang talino niya kasi kaya niyang gayahin kahit ano. Basta nakikita lang niya, kaya niya kaming gayahin. Marunong na rin talaga siyang mag-react sa mga bagay-bagay. Sobrang talino niya talaga. At saka sobrang sarap niyang kasama kasi pag nakikita lang namin siya, as in instant nawawala yung pagod namin.
Your heart, my love, is yours to hold. Through every high, every low, our love will only grow. And I'll be here when the sun sets. And I'll be here till I find a breath. My love is all for you.
Let us so welcome the birthday girl together with Daddy Christian and Mommy Monique. So everybody, put your hands here and make some noise for Olivia Soleil!
Carve our names into that old oak tree, buzzing with songs.
Happy birthday, Apo Muchis. Sana lumaking may takot sa Diyos at saka laging mabait.
Can see that we were always meant to be. I got you, honey, and you got me. I got all I could ever need. I swear you walked out of my wildest dreams.
Katulad nga ng sinasabi, nakahulugan ng iyong pangalan, ikaw ang magbibigay liwanag sa kapayapaan. Sabi nga ng pangalan mo, andun ang wisdom palagi. Huwag mong kalilimutan ang iyong roots. Yan man ay namumunga, kanya-kanyang branches. So alam mo kung saan ka nagmula, pasasalamatan at babalik ka lagi at mamahalin ng Panginoon.
Got you, honey, you got me. I got all I could ever need. It's like you walked out of my wildest dreams. Yeah, I got you, honey, and you got me.
Happy birthday, Mochi! Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos and strong katulad namin. And maparaan. Maging healthy ka at sana huwag ka nang uminom ng moringa. Happy birthday, we love you.
I got you, honey.
Good morning, everybody.
Got me.
Pinapunta ko kayo rito lahat sa birthday ng apo ko. Sana maging mabait na bata ka. Sana huwag ka na uminom ng moringa. Salamat sa inyong lahat pagpunta nyo rito. Thank you, thank you.
Is where wild hearts are supposed to be. Let's fly again and spread our wings.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I
into.
Anak, sana pagbutihin mo yung career mo, no? Tapos, wag kami na magla-love life. Hindi, joke lang.
Let's get out. Let's get out. It's time to get outside and breathe the gift of life. Let's get out. Let's get out.
Sobrang thankful ko anak na naging anak kita na babae ka kasi nakikita ko na yung future natin. Paglaki mo, pupunta tayo ng salon, magpapanails tayo, magpapaganda tayo, magmumoling tayo, mag-shopping tayo. Paglaki mo, travel tayo ng travel. Kahit saan mo gustong pupunta tayo, anak. Bibilin ko lahat ng gusto mong bilhin. Love na love kita. Ano ba yun?
See things we've never seen before. It's time to open up the door. Let's get out. Let's get out. It's time to get outside.
Olivia na name, may pinapanood ka kasi kami influencer na cute kami. Ayun, kaya pinangalan namin yung first name sa kanya. Then yung Soleil is from the French word.
Word na sunset. Kasi kaming mag-asawa, mahilig kaming mag-watch ng sunset. So, yun, we named her after the sunset.
Hello, sun, good morning, morning, 'cause I know it's a brand new day. I just got a feeling the rest of my life starts today. It starts today.
Wish ko talaga sa inyo is need help. Kasi tapos lumaki ako sa Diyos.
Sana lumaki kang mahal yung mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo, lalo na yung family mo, lalo na kami. Sana wag mo kalimutan na mahal ka namin. At saka pinaka-importante, sana lumaki kang masaya. I love you, anak! Happy birthday!